Let's talk about Thailand, a land of vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes. But not the one you think you know, the Thailand that's plastered across postcards and travel brochures. We're going deeper. Forget the crowded beaches, the endless rows of sunbathers vying for a spot on the sand, and neon-lit streets, the bustling markets overflowing with souvenirs and the constant hum of traffic. Beyond the tourist trail, far from the well-trodden paths, lies a different world altogether. Lies a Thailand that's raw, untamed, and brimming with untold stories. Real, authentic, a place where traditions are still honored and the spirit of the land remains untouched. And unforgettable, a journey that will leave an indelible mark on your soul long after you've returned home. Imagine trading the familiar, the predictable, the same old tourist traps, for the extraordinary, the unexpected, the hidden gems that await those who dare to venture off course. The crowds, the noise, the constant feeling of being surrounded by other tourists. For genuine connection, meaningful interactions with the local people, and a deeper understanding of Thai culture, this is where adventure truly begins, where the real stories unfold. Off the beaten path into the heart of the unknown, where the possibilities are endless. Where every step is a story, every encounter a lesson, and every moment a memory in the making. Here you'll find places that challenge you, push you beyond your comfort zone, and test your limits, and moments that change you, inspire you, and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the world around you. It's about feeling the pulse, the rhythm, the very essence of Thai life. Of a village at dawn, as the sun rises over the rice paddies and the monks begin their morning chants. Tasting recipes passed down for generations, savoring the flavors of authentic Thai cuisine, prepared with love and tradition, and sharing smiles with locals, connecting with the warm and welcoming people who call this land home. Are you ready to leave the tourist trail behind? Are you ready to discover the real Thailand? This isn't just a vacation, it's more than just a trip. It's an expedition, a journey of discovery, a chance to connect with something truly special. Pack your curiosity, your sense of adventure, and your open mind, and sense of wonder, because you're about to witness something truly extraordinary. The real Thailand is waiting, patiently waiting to be discovered. For those willing to seek it, for those brave enough to step outside their comfort zone. Let's go. Let the adventure begin. Our journey begins. First stop, Trang Province, a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Nestled on the stunning Andaman coast. This is where tranquility meets adventure. Skip the crowded party scene, leave the noise behind. Here, majestic limestone cliffs rise dramatically, straight from crystal-clear turquoise waters, creating a landscape that feels almost surreal. And the only soundtrack you'll need is your paddle gently slicing through the water, and the calls of distant birds echoing across the serene seascape. Glide effortlessly through hidden sea caves, each one a portal to another world. Squeeze your kayak into secret lagoons where the outside world fades away, and discover untouched beauty that will leave you breathless. The mangrove forests are alive, teeming with life, nurseries for countless species of fish, shields against the force of storms, protecting the coastline, and are vital to the rhythm of local life, providing sustenance and livelihoods. Responsible travel matters. Let's make a positive impact. Respect the incredible wildlife that calls this place home, support the knowledgeable local guides who share their heritage, and leave no trace of your visit, preserving this paradise for generations to come. After a fulfilling day on the water, relax and unwind on a deserted beach as the sun dips below the horizon. Dine on the freshest seafood imaginable, caught with care by the very family who lovingly prepares and serves it to you. This is the well-deserved reward for venturing just a little bit off the beaten map. It's so much more than just scenery. It's a profound connection to the raw beauty of nature and the warmth of its people. Trang is undoubtedly a paradise, especially for those with a spirit that yearns for adventure. The real magic of Trang, it's waiting just for you to discover. So are you in? Will you answer the call of Trang? Now let's head inland to Phetchabun, a land of misty mountains and ancient caves. Here, spirituality is found deep underground where sacred temples hide in vast caverns, descend into darkness guided only by a headlamp and anticipation. Suddenly a serene Buddha emerges from the shadows, a humbling, unforgettable sight. Exploring these caves is both a physical and spiritual journey. Scramble over rocks, squeeze through passages and discover glittering formations thousands of years old. Local legends and stories echo in the silence. Your visit supports the communities that protect these sacred places. Sometimes the greatest treasures are hidden from the light of day. All it takes is courage to step into the unknown, Phetchabun's caves are waiting for explorers. Will you answer the call? Our final detour takes us off the beaten path to Mae Hong Son, nestled deep in Thailand's remote northwest, a region brimming with cultural richness and natural beauty. Here, winding roads lead past breathtaking vistas to vibrant hill tribe villages, each with its own unique traditions and stories. These roads also lead to untouched forests where the air is fresh and the sounds of nature are all around. Trekking isn't just about the landscape, it's an immersive experience. It's about learning from local guides, the true keepers of these mountains, who know every plant and path, every secret and story held within these ancient lands. Cross rice paddies shimmering green under the sun, bamboo bridges swaying gently over rushing streams, and jungle waterfalls cascading down moss-covered rocks. The highlight of this journey? A homestay in a traditional bamboo stilt house, offering a glimpse into a simpler way of life. Sharing meals and stories, laughter and connection with your warm and welcoming hosts. No Wi-Fi, no frills, just the essentials, just genuine connection, human to human. Responsible travel means being mindful of your impact, respecting traditions, honoring customs and supporting communities, ensuring that your visit benefits the local people. Be a guest, not just a tourist. Ask before taking photos, showing consideration for personal space, dress modestly, respecting cultural norms, and bring a small gift, a token of appreciation. This is a rare window, a precious opportunity into a disappearing way of life, a culture rich in history and heritage. The richest travel experiences, the ones that stay with you long after you've returned home, are often the simplest, the most authentic. Mae Hong Son's mountains are calling, their peaks shrouded in mist, their valleys echoing with ancient songs. Will you answer the call? Will you walk with their keepers and discover the magic of this hidden corner of Thailand? So what's the real Thailand? It's secret lagoons, sacred caves, and mountain trails far from the crowds. It's about collecting moments, not just photos. This kind of travel asks for patience, curiosity, and a willingness to get uncomfortable. The reward, deeper connections, lasting memories, and a positive impact on the places you visit. Think of your journey as your own amazing race, full of challenges, surprises, and discoveries. Every wrong turn is a new story. The goal isn't just the destination, it's embracing the whole adventure. Next time you plan a trip, find a place you've never heard of. Be brave. Go. Thailand is waiting for your story. The world is out there. What are you waiting for?